Hey everyone, today we're fixing a fridge problem. So, like I was saying in the intro, we are going to fix a fridge problem today. It's not the fridge itself that is the problem, it's mostly the door that is opening while we are traveling, while we are moving. There's a little lever here that is supposed to act as a lock, but it doesn't really work. I mean, it's a two-way thing. You can keep the door open when you are winterizing the RV. This is working great. But for keeping the door lock or the door closed when we are moving, it's not working great. I already installed one of the part that I'm going to show you after. But this thing is basically just keeping the door from fully opening. But as you can see, it's opening like an inch or two, which obviously it's not ideal when you're traveling because things are moving inside the fridge, pushing against the door, and obviously having a pressure on that little lever that doesn't do a good job. So we did try something before what I'm going to show you. It's a little lever that we bought off Amazon, and unfortunately it wasn't working. It was just a little lever, but the way it was made, it was too thick for how we intended to use. We wanted to stick a portion of the lever to the side of the fridge, like behind this panel here, and have the lever lock on the door. Unfortunately, it was too thick for us to stick it in there, so we started searching again, and we came across these things here, which are little straps, safety strap for child, that comes into basically this clear black or fully clear. And the way it works is just a little thing that you pull on here, and that remove the locks. That portion stays on the door, and we stick that portion here on the board here, and once we unlock it, it will just hang like that. Just like you can see here, I already installed the one on the fridge door. As you can see, I'm just clipping it right here. It stays there. It will restrain the door from being open, and then when we get to a destination, we can just unlock it, let it hang there, and it's just out of the way and making sure that the door will stay closed. So before installing these, you want to make sure that you have a clean surface on both places that you're going to stick these in. These things are pretty sticky, so I'm going one at a time. I'm going to do the freezer door. I'm going to try to align these two as the best as I can, trying to make it straight, which is about here. Should be good. Applying a good pressure on it, making sure that it sticks well. And then I'm going to place the other portion. I'm going to do the same thing, same side that I've done there. Removing and peeling that red thing that's protecting the adhesive behind. I'm going to stretch it, try to align it again with the other one, or as straight as it can be, and press it against the board there so that it will keep the freezer door closed. So hopefully these things are working great. We're leaving on the road tomorrow, so we're gonna leave them dry overnight, clip them tomorrow morning just before leaving, and we will keep you up to date if it worked or not. All right, we just got to our destination after a 7-hour travel. Let's see if the strap held on the fridge and kept it closed, basically. It looked like it worked. Straps are still on. There's no gap nowhere. The fridge door is super closed. Yeah, it's working. So the straps are approved. And I'm going to put the link on the video description. And I guess that's it. We'll see you next time.